So in this video, we're going to see three exercises with a little bit of change. Like for example, the first one is 2x minus 1 to the fifth. As you can see right here, the coefficient of the first term is different than 1. So in this case, again, we're going to continue using the Pascal triangle. So I'm going to write it right here. So this is 1, 1, 1. Then I'm going to have 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay, so I'm using this one. I'm using that last line because again I have to the fifth power that degree, so that means that I'm using that second line. Remember that this second term on each line is the one that is going to correspond with the same exponent. So in this case, my first coefficients are going to be 1, 5, 10. Let me go back and do it a little bit low. So here, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Now I'm going to go with the terms. That my first term is 2x, so I have 2x. And remember that we are raising this to the same power. Then it's going to be 2x to the fourth, 2x to the third, 2x to the second, 2x to the first, and 2x. And now my second term in this case again is negative 1. We're going to rewrite this binomial as 3x plus negative 1 to the fifth. So it's negative 1 to the fifth on the right side, and now I'm going to go in descending order to the left side. 1. Wait. This one is to the third, second, first, and 0. Okay, I'm just going to keep first my positive, because then when I apply those exponents to the negative 1 is where I'm going to apply the signs, right? So have 2x to the fifth. This is the same as 32x to the fifth. Again, negative 1 to the 1 is positive 1. So 32x to the fifth plus, I have 16, right? Because 2x to the fourth is 16. The fifth times 16x to the fourth times negative 1. Plus 10 times 8x cubed plus times 1. Plus 10 times 4x squared times negative 1. Plus 5 times 2x squared times 2x times 1 plus negative 1. I'm missing here a 0. Okay, so again, that's that to the 0 is 1. So 32x to the fifth plus minus 80x to the fourth plus 80x cubed minus 40x squared plus 10x minus 1. That's the expansion of that polynomial of 2x minus 1 to the fifth. Okay, my second exercise on this video, I'm going to have x squared plus 2 to the cube. So in this video, I'm just going to mark on the same triangle up there. Let me mark it in purple. I'm going to use this term right here. So my coefficients here are 1, 3, 3, 1. So I have again, my first term in this case is x squared to the third times 2 to the 0 plus x squared to the second times 2 to the 1 plus x squared squared times 2 squared plus x squared to the plus 2 times 2 to the third. I have a mistake right here, another one right here. This is to the first, right? Because it's going to be in descending order, the x squared. And remember that each term should add the exponent. 3 plus 0 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 1, 2 is 3, and 0 plus 3 is 3. So this first term is 3 squared to the third is x to the 6 plus 3 plus 6, right? Because I'm multiplying 3 times 2, 6x to the fourth, plus, in this case, I'm multiplying 3 times 4, so it's 12x squared plus 8, because I have 2 to the cube times x squared. So that's my expansion of this exercise right there. So my next one, I'm going to have, let's say, x squared plus y squared to the fourth. Right, so in this case, let me mark with another color so you can see it. I'm using that last line right there, the 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. So my coefficients here are 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. I hope I have a little space there to work. Okay. So again, x squared to the fourth plus x times x squared to the third times x squared to the second times x squared to the first times x squared to the 0. Now the y squared, I have y squared to the fourth, y squared to the third, y squared to the second, y squared to the first, and y squared to the 0. All of them are positive. Okay, so I'm just going to simplify. X squared to the fourth is x to the 8 plus 4x to the 6 y squared plus 6x to the fourth y to the fourth plus 4x squared y to the 6 plus y to the 8, and that's it. Now you're going to find the homework on the assignment on Schoology and work with all those exercises.